progra Eventbrite ach Siodíh Róisín na Gearalt. Right, Donacha, Canaisú. Donta. Donty Donna.
Okay. Tome again of Iarracht McQueen Donty again of Glon Viar in it. So Tome con Iarracht of Antwilas. Can as well got in a mulhu.
Réitheolaíocht, Sathlítí, agus an áitetá ag ortír Eoin san arná spás atá aniu. So, what's not great, Kermit too special. So just focal beag boom. Is as bhaile chéime, mar gúil sibh. Agus drasú mé ar Gaelscoil dar an colaiste in Iescart áclia. Is agus an sin na bhór mé an grá tágan don mata agus an éisic, agus an Ghaeilge tágan. Agus iní sin le mé rá go colaiste ollscoilí bhaile áclia, agus chrígní mé céim san astrodisic, agus mástruach san astrodisic.
Cuán de Barra.
Iní sin, chaf mé seall ag obair thar leabhar de gníomhach spás na Eorpa. Agus faoi láthair, tá mé mon doctoracht ag denistadar ar gamma gatainna, ní de bhar gamma gatainna, agus ag tógáil satellítí chun na rudí seo bhra. So, bhí mé ar na gamma gatainna again second.
Not for sin, you know, not for sin and, you know, go hiliach mas not. Ach, you know, sin ráte, like, mohin sé go bhfuil daoine a déanamh scoileán like an Éireann, agus go bhfuil just caid an iontach á chricint ag stúrthóirí agus na scríbhneoirí agus ag easú.
Léirú ná lasnas na runners suas, so tá muid ceart go leir, you know? Agus, so ceir bhíon is fiche an fearla na lí mé le déanaí, agus bhúil mé leis ar app úntach, right? Tá app úntach gur féidir le mná, bu gáí níos sinna, búla le fear dasa óga ó níosacht. An an app seo rólas a gcuid? Uber Eats. Tágan siad ar scooter beag go hálan. Is féidir lí the track agus ní déna gradí foic.
Pasta uaháin mar do bhí mé for mé páirt son nativity agus for mé an príomhpáirt de Joseph. Agus dír mé ar an múntóir, nach bheoh sé níos fearr an páirt a thuairt de Séamus nó Mark. Agus dúirt sé, no, bheoh tusa níos fearr le the broad shoulders. And your massive willy. Ní lach willy beag a gom. No, ní léon willy a gom. Ní bhfuilm na ráflí sin atá timpeall a ríist. But is bralam Gaeilge. And sa scoil, you know, bhí mar ag fálam Gaeilge, níl caintear duchsa gom go chuimé go dtí scoil. Agus bhí Albert Amháin, an Queen libh se an Albert Amháin a bhí oring a bheith ólas a going sa scoil. The one sentence we had to learn in school. Can you say it?
They're in 46A, right? For the day, worrying not row. So speaking of fingering, it's band single night. Gusula, Liberty freshen. August told me Erna Apana, August touch it on Jacker, Erna Apana. Related on Erna Apana, no? No, touch it on Jacker, Neil Shikasula, Chapter, Electric Picnic, you know. Neil is the god, okay, I thought Erna Apana, it's fair love it. Doing Varfor, Deal to Druggy, Veganach, you know, so Shin. Doing far for who, you know, you're the murderer. To McCordic alert to she'd post an ish, right? Agus an ish to on fervor a coup to she didn't dry shites. Oh no, Broner, Tishmori, am I in Tishmori a stick? Yeah, well, Broner. Need dry shite who, you know, that's just like picnic electric, you know? You know, it's dry shite seeds, Agus, you know, Irene she like me compordach nor a bulam no.
It's cracking, it's cultural appropriation, and now it's just Patagonia. For my foraging memo, she knew our mission memo. Hey, there we go. Patagonia. Tá sé gcónaí Patagonia. Sin there she, friend matcha. Ravenia ag kneecap inye? Yeah, kneecap. Yup na Gael. An ceist bhí agam sin ná céir tá sa bum bag atá ag líam óg. Kevin, probably is getting me. I think just go Aaron. I don't know, and actually, on can't she a sale marshal? I think it's an act. No, it's probably me, Cap. Yeah, Sheila Bader go phone again, go she can checkal the Lauren gig or be like, oh, the time cost course here. And the lads cut and gig is fire lad. Clearly Chapel Row, not the 8th and shin or lad. Kneecap your mar brisha cree. Mar bevrollum them mar marshali. August Shassam Leshem Balishteen, obviously, August Fireman Popco. It's Fireman Popco. KNEECAP, Tom Massigo, Never Mogger Lever, Bulletin, this policy. Apple Aid of the Griffinies, Aid for me. KNEECAP, the Ogler, Mega Gigany, all this August teaching me. Come let's go, play like Tommy, a brew a reach. KNEECAP, on drop well, may money follow me. KNEECAP, near hand hip hop room, fury machine. Take fucking William Jungle. Brown, the invitation gets an orange order. It's just good old Chapel Road. I'm God, I'm a hard jumper. I'm God, I'm a hard brown. The invitation of Netanyahu. It's just good old Chapel Road. Batman, look, mate, oh, yes, you're value of the. So our battle really came Ina. Ta rap off Carton Lore. Akis Farlow Kana. Ta she's Beyonce's in Wales. We've need fader either Kana. KNECAP, Tom Massigo, Member Mogger Lever, Bulletin, this policy, Apple Aird out of this H-me, KNECAP, Coffee, couple of Lyricy Bader Free Club, Pink Pony, KNECAP, on drug well, may money follow me, KNECAP, they had a hip hop of real, I just don't know what to do, oh my god. This guy's got Ghaeilge, he's got it at home. Oh my god, you must love kneecap. Oh my god, you speak Irish. Oh my god, you speak it at home. You must love kneecap. No, I love Chapel Road! Chapel Road! Sorry, just stop my bird, just stop my bird. Okay? Simply Gaeilge, so.
For the P1 time! Oi. Big shout out to the birthday girl!
Scream if you want to go faster!
Scannánaíocht to Gearalt this colaiste. Fáilte Seansalthe, Fáilte God's Lord much fee an elephant to Shamra, agus Neoni much can't fee James at Ye Chatawala or Sears what I got cheese them burritos boy. You need to kind of start lesson, you know. The Mona Wolf Seansalthe colaiste na fega good river is mission Hugh Gael Jasper love to hello. There's so much like my what I call Chatawala fecal for Regent Sluashaw, I fucking goes for fun. I was Ailbhe Shaw, and lad mo yesh. Actually, no, that's my glay. No, that's my lads because this is actually your own podcast show. And lad mo yesh. There's a fecal and telly. There's a fecal and radio. There's well, not the fecal and radio.
That'll be first.
We've invented the television. What I got, I guess the same a year, I encourage to go through funds over. Hey, James O'Flaherty! James, a hashkey, Jimmer that too.
Come on, yeah, it's a team.
Elaine and Sean your folk sheep, Holly Raw. Mayheen, actually, a Congress. Lloyd off. Congress Tagash Sam.
we have a very, sorry Martha, Aine tuned into our Instagram, we have a very sexy man coming on.
Yeah, you're kind of like cool of like physical, talking physical, and I'm like, get away. I have someone inside me, I don't need someone around me as well, you know?
Well, I mean, listen, I wouldn't mind someone inside me.
Amy O'Hipper next show!
Hey!
Esther, throw up an out comment box there, we're taking number